Aiming at the mission to authority of the national development and powerful reliance of national energy, the fourth thermal power plant is the largest thermal power plant in Mongolia. The foundation stone for the fourth thermal power plant was laid in 1979, and its first unit with 80 megawatts was put into operation in 1983. The installed capacity was reached to 540 megawatts in 1991. Our engineers increased the capacity by 20 megawatts in 2007 and 2009, and by installing a new 120 megawatt steam turbine in 2015. There are 8 boilers and 7 turbines in the plant now. The current installed capacity is 700 megawatts of electricity and 1373 gigacalories of heat generation in total. We are implementing the project to increase the plant's installed capacity. The fourth thermal power plant provides 65% of electricity for the central energy system and 55% of heat demand for the UB district heating system. Industrial steam is provided for factories as well. In order to supply continuously with power energy to customers, power plant engineers, workers and employees work for 24 hours providing reliable operation of the power plant. The reliability and stable operation of the power plant to provide the operation of multiple manufacturing stages and economic efficiency for equipment and facilities is fully dependent on technology, discipline and operation mode. The coal transported from the coal mine is unloaded by the railway unloading equipment and transported by the belt conveyor to supply continuously to the boilers, and some of it is stored at the open yard. The coal transported by the conveyor belt will be pulverized to dust in the mill and transported to the burner by the primary gas fan. Then the mixture of air and coal dust is burned in the furnace. At the same time, the boiler should be fed with water. As a result of burning, the water in the water wall is heated and then vaporized in the boiler drum, which is an important part of the boiler. The steam is heated to 560 degrees Celsius through the steam heater, and it then goes to the steam turbine. The flue gas emitted from the furnace is filtered by an electrostatic precipitator and is exhausted by an induced draft fan. Turbo generators transfer potential energy of steam produced in the boiler into mechanical energy to turn the turbine shaft, and a generator converts this energy into the electric energy. Except the electricity generation in the generator, heat energy is produced in combination and distributed from the turbine to the district heating and domestic hot water suppliers, so customers use the steam and hot water. Since August 2001, the fourth thermal power plant is reorganized as a state-owned company. From October 2018, 70% of its stock property is owned by the Ministry of Energy and 30% by the State Property Policy Coordination Department. The representative board of the fourth thermal power plant state-owned company is working to organize and coordinate the stable and reliable operation of the manufacturing process and improve financial and payment capability of the company. The fourth thermal power plant consists of 7 operational sections, 4 technical departments, 4 administration departments, and 2 offices and other related units. Related to the electricity and heat demand in the country, production volume is being increased each year. As of 2001, when the fourth thermal power plant started to operate as a shareholding company, sales income was 43.7 billion turks, and in 2018 the factor is increased up to 249.7 billion turks, which is an increase of 5.7 times. The total property was increased by 3.1 times compared to 2001 and reached 428.5 billion turks. Our company has been implementing a wide range of innovative-based technologies with the cooperation of leading foreign companies and manufacturers, providing reliable operation of the equipment and providing energy-efficient and environmentally friendly production. The main purpose of the power plant is to organize environmental friendly production, and the standards and legal codes of Mongolia are abided. Air polluting emissions from 8 boilers are measured by the stationary analyzing instruments, and information is transferred to related organizations and entities through the internet. Currently, a certain percentage of the removed ash is used as a raw material by construction material manufacturers, and in the nearest future, we work to recycle 100% of the removed ash as an environmentally friendly operation. With project implementation of grey water from the municipal effluent water treatment station in UB, the PowerPoint shall be provided with the possibility to use grey water as for technical water after certain treatment, and a municipal freshwater system is expected for improvement. The professional colleagues with multi-year experience will provide you with the following service with the most advanced equipment and industrial structure based on the long-term cooperation policy and the economic feasibility scenario. Research and Development Department. Analysis of various samples in the metal and welding laboratories. Coal handling shop. Railwaying service. Turbine shop, balancing and vibration optimizing service. Maintenance department, refurbishment service. Mechanical workshop, machining services. Electrical workshop, high voltage test and measurement services. The 4th Thermal Power Plant has been consistently implementing the policy of resolving social issues of employees since its inception and provides other discounts and incentives besides housing discounts for employees. Every year, we focus on examining all the staff with professional medical examinations, promoting public health, sports and healthy lifestyles. Within the framework of social responsibility, various sports clubs are operating within the company and have been successful as teams and personnel in local and international competitions. Our company has been certified by ISO 9001-2015 Standard for Quality Management System and OHSAS MNS 18001-2012 Standard for Occupational Safety and Health Management System. We are committed to making more success with our customers' trust in us. We've been supplying thousands of families and organizations with our power, which is our staff's effort. We will work harder to make sure that our mission is fulfilled and to ensure the reliability and efficiency of our production. The user is our driving engine.